Tesla Model 3 parking sensors use ultrasonic technology to detect obstacles around the vehicle. These sensors emit high-frequency sound waves that bounce off objects to measure distance and proximity. Parking sensor errors occur due to three main causes: dirty, damaged, or blocked sensors. Dirty sensors are the most common issue, caused by mud, ice, or debris that obstruct the sound waves. Damaged sensors result from physical impacts, such as collisions with curbs or other objects. Blocked sensors are due to obstructions like bike racks or aftermarket accessories that interfere with the sensor's field of view. Recent software updates have improved diagnostics and error handling, but hardware issues still persist, particularly in older Model 3 vehicles or harsh climates. When a parking sensor error occurs, the Tesla touchscreen displays specific alerts to help identify the issue. These messages appear on the vehicle's display and can also be checked in the Tesla mobile app for logged errors. One common alert is "parking sensors unavailable." This message typically indicates a more serious issue, such as physical damage to the sensors or an electrical fault that requires professional service. Another alert you'll see is "sensor dirty." This suggests that dirt, mud, ice, or debris has accumulated on the ultrasonic sensors, blocking the sound waves they use to detect obstacles. The solution here is usually simple cleaning. If you encounter blocked sensor, it means there's a physical obstruction preventing the sensors from functioning properly. This could be something like a bike rack, aftermarket accessory, or even snow and ice covering the bumper area. Each of these alerts points to a different potential cause, helping you diagnose the issue. Additionally, you can check the Tesla mobile app for detailed error logs that provide more information about when and how the errors occurred. If the error message indicates a dirty sensor, the first step is to clean the sensors. Use a soft microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe the sensor surfaces. Ensure no debris is lodged in the sensor housings. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or high-pressure washers, as these can damage the sensors. After cleaning, restart the car to see if the error clears. Tesla's V12.4 firmware and later include an auto-cleaning sequence that may resolve the issue without manual intervention. When you encounter a blocked sensor error, carefully inspect the area around the sensors for any obstructions that might be interfering with their operation. Common obstructions include aftermarket accessories such as bike racks, which can block the sensor's field of view. Bumper stickers and mud flaps are other examples that might interfere with proper sensor operation. To resolve the issue, remove any identified obstructions from around the sensors. After removal, restart the vehicle and check if the blocked sensor error has cleared. In some cases, removing an obstruction may reveal that the sensor itself has become misaligned. If this occurs, the sensor might require professional calibration at a Tesla service center to restore proper function. Inspect the sensors for physical damage, such as cracks, dents, or misalignment. Even minor fender benders can damage the sensor housings. If you notice any physical damage, the sensor likely needs replacement. Contact a Tesla service center for inspection and repair, especially if the car is still under warranty, particularly pre-2021 models. Attempting to repair a damaged sensor yourself is not recommended. Tesla's software includes built-in diagnostic tools. Navigate to Controls, Service, Parking Sensors on the touchscreen to run a self-check. This test identifies calibration issues or malfunctioning sensors. If the self-check fails, it may indicate a more serious problem requiring professional attention. Keep in mind that in late 2025, Tesla's V12.5.x firmware introduced enhanced diagnostics for sensor errors. If cleaning, removing obstructions, and running diagnostics don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact Tesla service. This is especially important if the car is under warranty or if you suspect hardware damage. Tesla service technicians have specialized tools, like oscilloscopes, to diagnose electrical faults and perform sensor replacements or calibrations. Ignoring persistent errors can lead to issues with autopilot and full self-driving features. Tesla is moving towards vision-based parking systems, reducing reliance on ultrasonic sensors. Future models, like the projected Model 2 in 2027, may eliminate ultrasonic sensors entirely. The current trend involves AI-driven fusion of ultrasonic sensors with camera systems for enhanced redundancy. Experts predict software-driven solutions and predictive maintenance will significantly reduce hardware failures in the future. Self-healing and biodegradable sensor coatings are also being explored for improved durability and sustainability.